Let me show you my signal chain. I'm just running the guitar straight into a Fender Supersonic 22. It does have an upgraded creamback speaker, and I'm using a 57 mic to capture it. We're going to start with the clean. Let's compare this neck pickup to the mini neck pickup to see what happens. They felt like the last chord of each one was sustaining for a long period of time. I feel like the strings were just hanging around. So what's interesting about that is not only do they have that same thing in common, but if you were thinking maybe it sustains more having the smaller humbucker, which I was thinking maybe a lower magnetic field, one less full-size coil, because obviously these are mini coils. You know, again, you're thinking maybe that would help the string kind of resonate longer. No, they seem to resonate the same. In fact, I think I'd probably give the edge to the full-size humbucker. Let's go ahead and play some single notes on the neck pickups. I was shocked that the little humbucker would be like having a pillow over it. It wasn't as bright and dynamic. We're going to take the JB Junior, compare it against the full-size JB to see what we get in clean and dirty. Now, obviously, the single coil size humbucker and the full size humbucker were never going to sound the same. That's just the physics of just the range in which they can get the sound. There's going to be more of that range. You're going to get definitely the lower part, because obviously as the strings get further away from the bridge, they get a little warmer and bassier. So as they get warmer sounding, you're going to get a different range of what they're going to get from the string. But Seymour Duncan has beefed up the output. They made the single coil humbuckers a little hotter, and I think they voiced them the best they could to get them to sound the same. So let's go ahead and go to the distortion and see if the distortions kind of hold up the same. We'll start with the mini humbucker first. Now this test was a little different. You can definitely hear the range and the fullness of the full-size humbuckers, but with this much overdrive, the minis and the full sizes sound very similar. So let's go ahead and use the overdrive on the two humbuckers and compare the neck pickups on the overdrive. Again, like the JB and the JB Junior, these pickups get a little harder to hear the difference once you add a lot of distortion. But whether clean or distorted, the mini humbuckers consistently sound darker than the full-size humbuckers. The full-size humbuckers have a clarity to them, not only in the highs, but with the lows. If you're trying to fit a mini humbucker in and get the sound of a full-size, if you're using a lot of gain, I think you might have a shot. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe. If you're returning to the channel, I appreciate you guys supporting my, my endeavors, so to speak. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for your time. Until the next time, know your gear.